So one last thing you might need is to be able to solve simultaneous equations graphically using your classpad. So if you haven't already got your classpad out, get it out now and work along with this video so you know how to do it on your classpad. You need to know this. So here are my two equations, and I'm going to solve them graphically using my classpad. So first step, go to the menu. Yours is going to look a little bit different because it's not in color, but it's the same idea. Now I'm going to go to the graph and table section. Alright, this is where I can type in all of my equations that I want to look at. So the equations that I want to look at are y equals 2x plus 3. You're using that as the x value there, that little button here. And the other one I want to type in is negative 4x minus 5. So I've got two equations now. Now make sure they're both ticked. Ticked means it's going to sketch them for you. Then I just need to sketch them. To sketch them, I just press that little button that looks like a sketch here, and it creates the sketch for me. Now I can zoom in and out using this button. Sorry, let's zoom in and out a different way. You can zoom in and out by pressing this button here, zoom in, or zoom out. Now I want you to zoom out enough so that you can see the x-intercepts and the y-intercepts, as well as the point of intersection. So I might need to zoom out one more time. Alright, now we just need to analyze this a little bit. Now I'm going to go to Analysis, G-Solve. There's a whole bunch of stuff that we can find out. I'm going to find the point of intersection. That's the answer. And you can see it's showing us where those 2 points meet. They meet at, just check that again, negative 1.33 and 0.33. Okay, there's our answer, but we might also be asked to sketch it. And to sketch it, we need a bit more information. We need to know the y-intercepts. So the way that I did that, just to see that again, choose the y-intercept, use your arrow key to choose which one is flashing, and then press execute. So the y-intercept of that one is 3. Y-intercept is 3. Do another one. The y-intercept of this one is negative 5. Do another analysis here. G-solve. Now I'm going to find the root, which is just another word for the x-intercept. Again, choose the ones you want. Negative 1.5. And another one. Choose the other one here. And negative 1.25. Now that we've got all of that information, so I'm just going to move my calculator over here, don't really need it anymore. Now that we've got all of that information, we can sketch So we know that y equals 2x plus 3 has a y-intercept of 3 and an x-intercept of negative 1.25. Now you can notice it doesn't really matter where I put these. I don't really have to do it to scale so much. Y-intercept of 3, x-intercept of negative 1.5. This one here has a y-intercept of negative 5 and an x-intercept of negative 1.25. Now obviously you'll be using a ruler. Might just use one of these things. And the important bit, obviously, is to put our point of intersection, negative 1.33, 0.33. You get the idea. Negative 1.33, 0.33. Last step, make sure you label, because it's impossible to know which line is which at the moment. So this line is y equals 2x plus 3. And this line is y equals negative 4x minus 5. Alright, that's a beautiful way to solve simultaneous equations graphically using your classpad, and also to sketch them using your classpad. Two new skills that you're going to need.